Of it, it's starting to take shape. So we're carrying on with the Audi. The bonnet's been painted, so you can't actually tell that it has been painted. The colour's only just a little bit lighter than the actual wrap, but the sun does its job with wraps. But I need to take off the wrap because the wings are going in to get painted, and the front bumper. So we're gonna have the whole front together, and then the rest of the car. But it's a nice warm day, so the wrap is coming off. Well, I wouldn't say quite easily, but a lot better. We usually have to heat them to take them off, but that's the actual colour of the Audi. It's like a bluish, silverish, don't really know what to call it, but yeah, I'm gonna have the whole front in, both the headlights, the RS grille is gonna go in, and the bumper, whole front will be ready, including the bonnet, and then I'll just have to paint passenger door, driver door, and the whole rear with the quarter panels. And the roof, I'm actually thinking about doing the roof carbon. We'll do the roof carbon, and maybe the mirrors carbon as well. I've got some carbon wrap left, so we'll do in carbon. It'll look nice, but I'll finish off taking this off, and then I'll show you the rest. So we've took the wrap off the wings, and we've put the bumper on to see how it fits. Fits just like it should, so we can start on repairing it and painting it. There you go, here's the other wing. Wrap's been took off, so fitment's great. And now we'll just take the wings off, take the front bumper off, and we'll have the full front ready. It's time to prime the bumper and the wings. So the bumper has been sanded down. I did fill in some stone chips, and these sides down here, these have all been filled in. And you've got the wings as well, same thing with them, just a little bit of filling that needed to be done with them. On this side there was a dent right down here, so this has all been fixed. You can really fix just about anything, as long as you have the time for it. Sometimes it's not worth it though. But these wings used to be red, so that's off a different car. You can see by this bit down here, so they used to be red. Someone's obviously painted them what they were on the car, and now they're going Nardo Grey. But first we'll get the primer down, and then I'll show you what it looks after. So primer's done, and came out pretty nice. Just waiting for it to dry, and then we can sand it down and put paint on it, and then clear coat over it, and it'll be ready. So this is what they look like. So this is still fresh. So this is what primer looks like after it just came out. So I could have done this on the car, but I wanted to get it done properly, so so that it actually looks nice. And here's your bumper, all done as well. And same again, waiting for it to dry. There you go, waiting for it to dry, and then we can put paint on it tomorrow. So we're finished with the painting. So this is the final result after the clear coat's been put on as well. It came out really nice, and then you've got the wings here, got one here and then one here, a little polish, and they'll be ready to put on the car. But really happy, and then let's get them on the car. So we've got the bumper on the floor now. We just need to fit the grille and the side meshes, and then we can stick it on the car. Of it, it's starting to take shape. Just need some screws in the back to hold it in place, but it's starting to look nice. I'll get the side meshes in, and then I'll show you the final result. So all the bits are in now with the bumper. It looks really nice, to be fair. All the side meshes, the fog lamps, and the RS grills in, and now all we have left is to stick it on the car. I've just forgot, it actually needs a bottom splitter still going on, and then it will be finished.